Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy day to anyone who doesn't celebrate Christmas. I am so glad you're here. My name is Chris O'Neill, and this is day 25 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We made it. I hope everybody had a wonderful time during this. I know I did, and I will definitely be having a recap video in a few days. And also all of the totals and everything will be on my blog and updated, so check that out. All right, day 25, this is a big one. I can't wait to see what it is. I guessed a bag, some sort of tote, and many of you agreed with me, so let's see. Open this up. It is all sealed. Ooh, just ripped it. Nice big bag. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the best. All right, so we have this beautiful case. And look. Oh my gosh. I love this item. Let's see, the tag says sewing project case. It's gorgeous. There are spots in here, all kinds of compartments. Let's see, this shows like all the zippers, scissors. There are zippers. Oh my goodness, all right, so that was slid in there. Look at this. Oh my gosh, and then you could, oh, let's open this up. Oh my gosh, okay, so there's like a little quilt block. That would be beautiful to make too. All right, and then there's this board that slides in, so you can put your blocks on here. And there's another little compartment. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. It's nice and thick too, so you can hold a lot of stuff. What a wonderful item. Hey, way to go, Missouri Star. This year has just knocked it out of the park. I love this. I love this. Oh, so exciting. What a great Christmas gift. Santa was so good to us. Okay, so I don't have another one to guess, so no warnings this time. But I will talk about the value. So right now we are at, with the book, and the book was $12.99 on Amazon, okay? Or one of them, one in the series. So that brings our total up to $360.99, which puts us $181.04 over the cost of the box. I am sure this will take us up to that $200 mark, meaning, well, beyond that, right? I don't know, but I'm sure that this will take us way up there. I can't imagine what to even price this at. I would say at least $30, $40, super high quality. Love this. So I think that Missouri Star was right? They said a $400 value. I would say we're getting up there, that it would be close to a $400 value. So they're right on, and I know my estimations weren't always perfect either. So amazing. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. And like I said, if you don't celebrate Christmas, that's okay. I want to wish you a very happy New Year and a very wonderful day. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time today to sew. I hope that Santa put a ton of quilty stuff in your stocking and under that tree. And I will see you soon in the next few days for a recap video, and then I have a whole bunch of other videos planned for 2024. I also have some really exciting stuff coming up. I'll see you soon. Bye.